Malaysian researchers have developed a method to transform the fiber found in normally discarded pineapple leaves to make a strong material that can be used to build the frames for unmanned aircraft or drones. They say prototypes made from the material have flown to around 1,000 meters, and like many other drones, they can stay aloft for about 20 minutes.
The most important thing of this particular design is we are using agricultural waste, which is we are transforming the leaf of the pineapple fiber into a fiber, and that particular fiber, who have been seeing that this fiber can be used for aerospace application, basically in inventing a drone.
Ultimately, the researchers hope to create a larger drone to accommodate bigger payloads, including imagery sensors for agricultural purposes and aerial inspections.
For example, 3 acres of this land may be able to produce 5 or 10 tons of this weight. And imagine that the price is 5 or 6 ringgit Malaysia per kilogram. If you multiply by 5 to 10 tons, it means it will give a big financial impact to the community, especially the small farming groups. So myself, as well as the villagers, think this is a good move to solve and help the economy issues.
The project, which started in 2017, is geared towards finding sustainable use for pineapple waste. Farmers often burn or discard of the leaves after harvest, which can cause air pollution. Selling the waste instead would increase the income and may benefit the environment.